Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my holiday binder with $50 in prop money. And let's get started. We don't have too many holidays because I decided to hold off on what I was doing because I want to revamp things for 2026. But we are going to go ahead and work on Christmas, my birthday, and maybe Easter. So we shall see. But let's start with this one, Christmas on My Mind. This one says $100 created by Snowgarner 307. So let's see. Let's go up here. And that is a friendly 3. Perfect. Let's go again. Another one. Oh, let's go next door. So what's that? 12, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, $12. All right, $12. Should I do 10, 11, 12? What shall I do? Should I finish this? Because I could do this on the back just as a little extra bonus. Let me see. Let's do one more. One, okay. And that is a 5. Oh, gems, I think I want to finish this side. So $5. All right, we'll come back to this one. So I'm just gonna keep this out. And let's go to birthday. And this is created by Budget with Carly. Say $75. My bells don't jingle without my coffee. Let's see, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a 7. We are just getting all the big, well, $75. I guess it is big numbers. 5, 6, 7. And let's do another one. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and an 8. So what's that? 15, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, $15. Did I already put the 7? Oh, yes, I did. See, look, I'm about to mess up. So I just need to put the 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, I was about to mess up big time with that. All right. So we still got 1, 2, 3, 8 scratches. Okay. Let's do at least one scratch. Or should I don't know. Let's go back up to, this is going to be a really short video. I'm sorry, gems. Sorry, but I just want to finish some things. Let's see this. Ooh. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, we had it. Okay. Oh, it's just one scratch left. What is that? Should I cheat and see? I think I should, because it might be a big number. What's I got left? Only got $5 left. Oh dear. Hold on. And this one, I don't even know the denominations. So let's see, we got 20, 50, 60. Oh, hold on. Let's get the money together. I know I'm cheating, but it's okay. It's okay. Calm down. 50, 60, 70, 85, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. Ooh, that's an 8. We can't do it. We can't do it. We won't do it. So we'll finish that one next time. So I'm just going to flip to the back. And when I got a 5, I'm gonna make each one of these $1. Girl, you ain't got a marker over here. Oh my gosh. Oh, please. Okay, I'm back. Let's do, so each one of these are $1. So let's go ahead and color these nice little, what is it called? Christmas lights, yeah. So we can do 5 of them. That sounds like a great idea. I just can't believe, like, Christmas is a couple weeks away. Should we do different color ones? Yeah. Let's go down this way. Growing up, my grandfather, he loved the big, like, Christmas lights, and he would put them outside and decorate the outdoors with them. Just brings back memories. So cute. And they used to be like multicolored too. All right, that's 3. What color should we do next? Let's do a blue. Let's do, we can go ahead and do this side. When you guys decorate, do you decorate a theme? Do you use like use a specific like colors? How do you guys decorate for Christmas? I'm just a use what we got kind of decorator. Because I have just boxes of ornaments, all different colors. So it's like whatever color combination that you want to put the Christmas tree and decorate, use it. Because I just hate buying like new stuff and just have it just be stored so much stuff. All right, so that is the $5 going for Christmas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a little bonus savings for Christmas. We love that. Pretty. All right, we got one more scratch, so that'd be $100, and then we just keep saving these $1 per light. I'm gonna let this sit out so it can dry. But gems, that is just a quick video. Put into my holiday binder. Like I said, the year is ending, so some of my challenges and videos is going to be a little bit shorter because we are just getting ready for the new year. We got goals that we are finishing up for 2025 and new goals for 2026. So stay tuned. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.